Hello guys, so I'm making a thyme oil for inflammation. As you can see, I have rashes from the heat, and I would like to make an oil solution for this to make the inflammation go down. Well, I don't know if you can see it because my lighting is not that good right now, but anyway, this session is for making the thyme. So I bought a fresh thyme, but you can also use dried, but I think fresh thyme is better because it still has the oil in it, you know. Oh my god, it smells so good. So first, take the thyme out from the stem. This is it. So the reason why I'm doing this because the doctor prescribed me a hydrocortisone, but it makes my rashes even more itchy, and it makes my skin very scaly. I mean, not scaly, but more dry. It gets more drier. It didn't really help. I mean, maybe cortisone helps for other people, or maybe it only helps you for the first time, or you have to use it. But in my case, it makes my skin very, very dry, and it became more very, very itchy and uncomfortable, especially during a hot weather. So here it is. I took the thyme out from the stem to get the oil, to extract the oil from it. I'm gonna slice it, cut it. Oh my god, I can smell. It smells so good. It smells like fresh morning. Like a tea. It smells minty and sweet. Okay. Wow. If only you can smell this. It smells so good. So there you go. See, when you hold it, you can feel the oil from the leaves. Okay, so this is the one I made earlier. So I'm gonna add this. I'm sorry for making a mess. And then you can use any oil for this. You can use almond oil, olive oil, coconut oil. In my case, I went to Trader Joe's and I found this lemongrass coconut body oil with almond and jojoba or jojoba oil. I'm sorry, I don't know the correct pronunciation, but so this is the oil solution that I'm going to use for this thyme oil. I'm gonna see if I can take it out. Well, the lid is not going out, so I'm just gonna pour it here. So the thyme should be submerged, meaning the oil should be more than the thyme. Something like this. Then you're gonna mix it. I'll give you a close-up. So this is how it looks like. Oh my god, it smells so good. So I'm gonna put this on my window to expose it to the sun for 1 week. And then this is my thyme oil solution to prevent, to help the inflammation and rashes or eczema. So this one works for me. I mean, if you want to give it a try, go ahead. But if you can see, it's very easy. It's very easy to make it. So I'm just reusing a jar. This is a jar from the cheesecake that I bought. There you go. Thyme oil. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new, and you know that this is very easy to make, so you can do it too. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that red button, and please also make sure that you tap the bell, the red bell, so you can get notification whenever I uploaded a new video. So this helps. This is so easy. It's cheaper than hydrocortisone. If you think that the itchy or anti-itch lotion is not working for you, this is the Mother Nature gave this to us to heal us. You know, food is healing, plants are healers. That's for the Mother Earth is giving us the natural medicine for our skincare. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.